If you hate doing cold calling but still want to sign high ticket clients, then this is the only video you need to watch. Because this is the exact strategy I still use to bring in high ticket web design clients to my agency, and to prove you that I'm not like bullshitting you or something. This is the 1,500 payment. I think you can see my screen. Got it like 1 hour ago. And all the 297 and 497 payments you're watching inside my Stripe are my monthly recurring revenue clients. So what I do is I pitch them a high ticket website and sign them up for a monthly recurring revenue with the help of Go High Level, the white label software I'm using to provide my service. And the most craziest part is one of my one-on-one coaching member got his first 3 clients in just 6 days using this exact strategy.
He just started doing it like from last week.
I know, dude, it was crazy. I'm flipping out. I was like, I just got them like a day after. I just got boom, 8 messages, bro. Like I can count right now. It will be like, I'm just gonna do a quick count. It's gonna be, what is it? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 messages, bro.
Bro, that's a lot. That's a lot.
I know, dude.
And I've already made a video on my channel going through all the strategy I'm using within my agency to bring in $15,000 every single month. And I will link this video inside the description. But for the sake of this video, we're going to see the best alternative way instead of doing cold calling to get clients is we're going to make use of the Facebook group outreach. For this, you have to go inside the group section inside your Facebook and search for local business advertising groups, and you get to see lots of groups. So these groups are basically filled with local businesses. As you can see, we have 9,000, 2,000, and another 9,000, 8,000, 18,000, 7,000, 2.3 thousand. Like, there are lots of local business owners inside the group, and it's basically like a gold mine. And all you have to do is join these groups. Some of them are public and some of them are private. Looks like all of them are public. Yeah, all of them are public. You can just start posting from the day one, and you won't run into this issue. For example, if you are posting any soliciting post, like you are providing these kinds of services inside a private post, the admin will kick you out instantly, and some of the time your post won't be accepted to be posted inside the group. But with the local advertising group, these groups are specifically made for the local businesses to advertise their services inside this group. So technically, you are a local business owner. So you are a business owner who provide websites to other businesses. So you are a B2B business, and you are just promoting your business inside these groups with providing free websites. So we will go inside the pitch in a minute. I'm just letting you know how simple it is to get more clients with this strategy, and it's way simpler than cold calling, and you don't have to pay a lot of money like doing a Facebook group ads, and it's just gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes of your life every single day. And after joining all those local advertising groups, this is the exact post you're gonna post inside these groups to get more clients. So this is what it basically says. Hey local business owners, I'm offering free websites for 5 local businesses who want to grow their business. No strings attached. All I ask for in return is that you leave me a positive review if you like the website. Let me know if you are someone who could use a new website. So this script is not just a blend script. Everything has its own purpose. Hey local business owners. So when people are scrolling inside of Facebook, when they see a post from the group, probably they would swipe it up because they don't know who you are. So why do they care? In the heading, hey local business owners, so it calls their attention. And in the first line, we have free websites in caption, and this is gonna intrigue their emotions, like, okay, this is interesting, let's see what it is, and they end up reading the entire script. And for the 5 local businesses, we are making use of the fear of missing out with the scarcity of this only be given to the 5 local business owners who are quick to respond. And guess what? You will be getting lots of response just like my coaching clients got in the like first 6 months, first 6 days. And no, we are not providing any free websites. It's just a hook to sign them up inside your agency in a monthly recurring revenue or for a high ticket website. I will let you know how to do it. Let me explain how the script works. Since it's a free website, so some of the people will be skeptic, like, is it a scam? So we are giving a proper like a reason why we are giving a free website. So from their perspective, we are giving them a free website in exchange of a positive review. So we both are winning. And we are ending the script with, let me know if you or someone else could use a new website. So even if the viewer, who's the business owners who are watching this post, who don't want a website, but their friends might need a website and they're looking for some web designers to build their website, guess what? They're gonna call you because you are providing a free website. And you are just gonna make use of this exact script and copy and paste it in all the groups you have just joined. And I'm 100% sure you'll be getting lots of responses from the day one, either in your comments or inside your DMs. So now you have booked a lot of meetings. Now what? So since we have promised them a free website, we are not gonna give them technically like a free website. We are gonna charge them a hosting fees or any monthly recurring fees, or you can upsell them a 5-page website. So inside the meeting, I will show them a 1-page website, and the 1-page website is totally free. And if they want the 5-page website, it's going to cost them anywhere from $497 to $997. So it's not a bait and switch. If they want the free website and if they don't want to go for the 5-page website, I'll just give them a free website with the hosting fees for like 47 pounds a month or 97 pounds a month. But most probably I'll try to push them to go for the 5-page website. And now I will show you an example of how it's done without being too pushy. So as I promised on our first conversation, the website is going to be free, which is the single landing page, which I usually charge my clients $497, which is basically like 500 pounds. But what I would suggest is to get the 5-page website, or if you want, we can even go for the 10-page website. But if you ask me, I would recommend you to get the 5-page website to rank higher on the Google My Business page.
Because I was only thinking about a single landing page. I didn't think we need any more than that. Can you not rank that higher?
If you want me to do the 497, and if you want to make a website which is just going to sit there and do nothing, it's fine. But since I literally wanted to help you, the 5-page website would be the best option. It's gonna rank your website high, and it's gonna give you more clients. Just let me ask you a question. If this website brings you one more client on a monthly basis, isn't it just gonna pay for the website?
Yes.
So,
yes.
And after closing this client, I don't even build the website from the scratch. I just make use of the Go High Level's already built-in templates, and I attach all the built-in AI chatbot, AI voice agent, AI conversation agent, the review automation, and the hosting, everything which is inside the Go High Level. You just have to get the software, change the domain name, and change your own logo, make it your own software, and you can resell the software as much as possible. I've made a bunch of videos on this topic on how to deliver the service. I will link some of those videos down in the description. And if you want to make use of this software, what you have to do is click the first link in the description and get the software. And along with the free trial of the software, you can get to have my one-on-one coaching totally for free, and all the snapshots and templates I'm using until now to get these kinds of results inside my agency, and you'll be getting it totally for free if you are using my referral link to sign up to Go High Level. And the second way is to target a particular niche. For example, let's say we're going to target plumbing businesses, because in the first way, we can't really target our post, because in those groups, there are yes, there are thousands of businesses, but there are like thousands of different businesses. They're not a particular niche. So if you already have a niche, and if you're working with a particular niche and don't want to mess up your rhythm, or don't want to get lots of different niches inside your business, this is what you have to do. Go inside search option and search for plumbing groups. And you can see all these plumbing groups. As you can see, there are 6,000 members and 500,000 members, 500,000, and 100,000, and 200,000, 30,000, 40,000, 30,000, 20,000. Like, they are literally filled with plumbing business owners inside these groups. And you gotta do the same thing we did in the other strategy, but we're gonna use a different script. So what you have to do is go ahead and join all these groups, and after getting accepted inside these plumbing groups, you're gonna post this exact post with this exact script. Attention local plumbing business owners, I'm offering free website for 5 plumbing businesses who want to book more jobs and grow their business online. No strings attached. All I ask in return is the positive review. Showcase your services, review, and make it easier for your customers to call and book now. It's just like, it's the same script, but targeting the local businesses, local plumbing businesses. And as you can see in the old post, we have shown like multiple different images and showing like a free mark to just like people are visual now, that they don't read anymore, they just glance. So they need to know what they are getting. So just make use of the Go High Level template, make a screenshot, and I just made it like in a Canva. It just took me like 2 minutes. And you should show which kind of businesses you're working with. And there's a plumbing, cleaning, beauty spa, and electrician. And you can make something like this as well, a laptop screen and a mobile screen with the plumbing website on it. And each single details you are seeing inside the script and images, it's not just for the sake of it. Everything is planned and did with the psychology behind it. And that's the only reason my coaching members get quick results, like in just a matter of days or weeks. They don't have to wait for like months and months to see some results. And you have to keep this in mind. These niche group have one issue, because sometimes admins won't allow you to post these kinds of posts. Even if you're giving out free website, and I'm 100% sure that you won't see these kinds of issues inside the local advertising group. That's why the first method is the best way to get started. And once you get started and pick the niche, and only then you will transfer into the second way. And there's a way to get over this issue. What you can do is direct the admin straight and let them know that I'm willing to work with you, and any revenue I'm getting from your group members, I will give you anywhere from 10 to 20%. If I'm making 1,000, you will be making 100 or 200. You're not going to do anything. Only thing you have to do is endorse me while I'm posting. And when the admin posts with @everyone, it's going to pop up in their entire members notification. For let's say the group with 500,000 members, it's going to pop up on like 500,000 members notification. And when they open your post, you're going to be like stressing out with how many bookings you will be getting. And with this strategy, don't you think at least you can close like 5 to 10 clients every single month, because there are like thousands and thousands of businesses inside these groups, and you'll be getting lots of inbound messages and comments in the group. And all you have to do is close 5 to 10 clients. And let's go with a basic payment like $500 for a website. And that's going to make you like 2,500 if you close 5 clients, or like 5,000 if you close 10 clients. And if you signed up all those 10 clients with the $97 monthly recurring revenue hosting fees, that's going to add up to another $1,000 every single month. You don't have to do anything else. And I also know that even after watching this video and doing this exact strategy, some of you guys won't sign a client. I'm not being mean or negative. I used to be like that, and I have lots of people coming up to me and saying the same thing. It's not with the information. Information is all around you. You can just go inside YouTube and search about any kind of niche and how to get clients. There are like thousands and thousands of videos on how to do it. The implementation is the main issue in getting clients. And if you want similar results just like these, all you have to do is click the first link in the description and book your discovery call, and I will be by your side to help you win this web design game. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste any more time, and don't just play around with different kind of strategy. Just click the first link in the description and book your discovery call, and I will see you guys inside the coaching calls.